Hello, I'm Gregory Ellsborg. I'm the Marketing Manager for Co Limited. In today's video we're going to talk you through the iCommand Pro management interface. iCommand Pro is a highly scalable application for large video surveillance networks. As you can see in the video, firstly, a password login screen is provided so individual users can access their own default settings from iCommand Pro. We can see the default interface, and this view shows devices down the left-hand side pane. This could be cameras or any other IP device such as video servers. iCommand Pro is equipped with various display tiling options. As you can see from the screen, there's a large variety of tiling options available in the standard user interface. This takes the display from a single camera view to 4-way camera view, all the way up to 16-way camera view with 4x4 tiling options. This flexibility gives great operational control to the user. In addition, multiple displays can be connected to iCommand Pro. The same tiling options are available for every additional display as are available for the primary display, with tiling options up to 16 cameras for each display. By right-clicking on a device in the display window, an option for digital zoom is provided. When selected, by using the scroll wheel on the mouse or using a joystick control, the user can digitally zoom in on selected areas of the video. iCommand Pro includes a comprehensive map navigation interface. Interlink maps can be defined on a per operator basis. Device icons can be associated with individual cameras. Cameras can be displayed simply by double-clicking the icon. Other devices, such as alarms, can also be displayed on the map. In iCommand Pro, each user can have stored presets for their individual screen display configurations. Presets for display preferences are located in the device tree on the left of the screen. System operators with appropriate privileges can also update, add to, or configure their own display preferences with ease. As you can see on the screen, as the user begins to change the devices displayed on his screen, he then can go and save this configuration. After changing display, the user can now recall the stored display configuration. PTZ controls are simple with iCommand Pro. Simply right-click on a PTZ camera, select Enable PTZ, and then PTZ controls may be actioned in multiple manners. Firstly, the mouse may be used by a simple point-and-click mechanism. Secondly, a joystick or keyboard may also be used to control PTZ on iCommand Pro. Here we can see the user zooming in and out and issuing directional controls using a USB joystick. The third control mechanism for iCommand Pro PTZ controls is the panel on the left of the main operating screen. Looking in more detail at this panel, we can see that directional controls, as well as zoom in, zoom out, autofocus, auto iris, and other key features of PTZ cameras are included on this pane. Another important feature of iCommand Pro when dealing with PTZ cameras is the use of presets. Presets can be selected from the drop-down menu in the left-hand viewing pane. In this case, we're going to select a preset and then move our camera by the PTZ controls. In this case, we've zoomed in on a Port Singapore project we've done, and then we select Set Preset from the drop-down. So we've selected preset 3. Then we move the camera away from this point, and then we select Go, and it brings the camera back to that preset. To access individual cameras' menus, the user simply clicks Menu and then can either use keyboards, the mouse, or a joystick to select from the camera's inherent menu selections. An infinite number of sequences can be added to iCommand Pro. Pre-configured sequences are available to be selected from the left-hand device tree view menu. These sequences can simply be dragged over the viewing pane to activate that sequence. All features of sequencing, such as the length of time dwelling on a particular camera, number of cameras, and other features can be modified from within iCommand Pro. Snapshots can be taken by right-clicking and selecting Snapshot. These are then stored either locally or on a server for email, printing, or archiving purposes. With virtual cameras, up to 10 virtual cameras can be created for the same camera. The same camera can be viewed multiple times from different positions by using virtual zooms and then setting these positions. As you can see in the video, the user has the same camera on 4 different displays. He then moves in and virtually zooms into a section of the video screen. Once he's selected a particular area of the video screen, you can then store this view as a virtual camera. These virtual cameras will then be accessible from the left-hand tree display. Virtual cameras are especially useful when dealing with megapixel cameras, such as those supported by iCommand Pro. That's it for part 1, but please join us in part 2 when we'll be talking through features such as recording, video exports, analytics, and alarms.